Well, never a day goes by without us having something to talk about. And again, we've got some more China tweets and some more talks about China. And boy, oh boy, what's that done? You know, it's interesting to see what it's done to the hog market. Lean hogs is what I'll give a quick gander at today. The cattle kind of still lagging, but hogs like it, right? And that's probably one of the first things that would come back online if we do get something put together. So fundamentally, that's good news for hogs. It's interesting to note, though, that's coming off of the back of the fact that we've lost basically 20 some odd percent of that value of that contract in 1 month. It's been a bloodbath. So seeing the precipitous decline that we've had, and then now we get some positive news out of there, it's not surprising that we see this kind of action, and it's going to be something that we need to see if we can kind of get a long-term trend going, because that will also help us kind of guide our way forward as far as where this market may be leading to. And the reason why I might sound a little bit cautious here is because it's, you know, the announced talks in October are going to be the 13th time we're meeting this year, and it's tiring, really, and that's what the market's also telling us. By the way, it's trading, right? You know, I call it deal delirium, but the volatility that we're seeing out there is kind of making traders tired, and you're really not getting your bang for your buck anymore. And I'll say this is how I'll say that: like if the Dow Jones closes today, right now where we're trading ish, since July 31st, the last 26 trading days, we'll have had an average move of 291 Dow points per day, right? But that's not being reflected in the VIX. So that's what's happening in these contracts that we're trading, these products. The risk is you're just not being rewarded for it, because at any given time, we come out with a tweet that we're going to have a meeting and everything's going to be hunky-dory, and then after a couple of days, it fades away and we give it all back. That's why I'm trying to say, just be careful. It's hard for us. It's going to be hard for you. And when you are getting involved with these binary outcomes, which means it's either yes or no or up or down, or it's a 50-50 call, that's what these things are, and it makes it very difficult. So have a bigger picture view. Try not to get caught up in the minutia of the trade of the day, and have your spots, stay disciplined, and make those things work for you. And that's how you're going to be successful, rather than chasing your tail on a tweet-by-tweet moment.